Guys, what's going on? We're outside the bus. This is my compressed rivet gun, and what it does, it compresses. You put the rivet inside this little hole right here, or you can put it up to the metal, and then you go ahead, you press it, and then you press it again. Well, it won't do it unless it's in metal. I'm going to try here. No, it keeps popping out. But anyways, yeah, so this is a Arrow compressor. You get them, I got this online. I don't know where, but I'll share the link if I find it. All right, guys, well, let's rivet. I'll show you how to rivet and how the gun works and what you need to know. So turn your volume up and listen. So whenever you go up to the rivet, you push the gun into the rivet and then push the trigger all the way down, but let go really quick. And what it'll do is the gun will even pull it more in and then shoot it one last time, hold it down, and it'll break off. So you can hear that. Once I push down, you hear that. And then I'll do it one more time. And then it breaks off. That's pretty much that easy. Then we'll do it again. Listen. Now I'm doing it twice because I messed up the first time. And then you bump it. So, you go in, press it down, wait for it to latch, do it a couple times if you want, and then break off. Let this go real quick, I'll show you. Alright, I'm going to turn you around right now. Stay with me. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm going to show you. Okay. So, you put the rivet gun in the hole. Make sure you got caulking. I got caulking in here. Push the trigger. Do you hear it grabbing? Listen. You can hear it grab, right? So that's a good thing. Now, just break it off. Boom. Just go lightly. You don't have to worry about going all heavy with it and stuff. This is 3/16 bits. So check it out. Oh, let's have it then go in. But it will pull it really nice if you just leave it in there for a second. We're waiting. Come on. Waiting for the other one to drop. There it goes. Alrighty, so let's do this again. Hold. Let it grab. Ready? Let it grab, and then we'll break it off here. Sometimes the gun won't break it off right away. So some it does. But anyways, I'm going to stop riveting the bottom because I need to do the top. So let's do it up here. Rivet gun in. Press down, hold it, and break off. Press down, hold it, let it go, come on, and break off. Let me do two more, and then you guys can figure out the rest. There we go. So, hopefully I don't get a warp off of this. I wasn't realizing. So, put the rivet in, squeeze, wait, and it'll start pulling. Sometimes it won't, don't worry about it. As long as it pulls a little bit. And instead of doing that, it should just pull from the inside like that. And then you just break it off. Real easy, guys. I'll put you down over here so you can see. Alright, hopefully you can see me, guys. There we go. I'm putting it on, what do I have it on? I have it right on 70 PSI for this guy because it goes up to 120. But no, it pulls way better. Pulls way better. So I just pulled it right now. And boom, it pulled it again. I should have done this from the start, but I didn't know. Now I can do the whole bus like this. And then it just pulls it. Pulls it right in. So that's what I'm going to do with the rest of the bus. But dude, I'm super excited, guys. Super excited about this bus. Like, I'm gonna turn this thing into like a crazy bus. What's up with you? Why won't you let me in? Ah, you little shit. So one thing going back and forth because the drill holes didn't work out. That should have done it. Let me go ahead and put in more rivets. Yay! Now that says 3/16, guys. So that's what I'm using. I'm using big heads just because. Oh, I didn't even cock any of this. Talking like a moron over here. Yeah, I'm using 3/16. I think it's a bigger deal doing it that way than it is doing it smaller. I think bigger is better. Alright, let's see how they want me to do it. Alright. Alright guys, well, I'm getting that done, And, oh, there you go. You're falling all over the place. All right. So then I got some cotton in my shirts. So I can take this baby out. Cock the rest, get those out real quick. Wait a minute. Why is there one on that side? Oh, goodness. Hold on real quick, guys. But anyways, hey, I'm going to put you on pause. Just wait right here. All right, guys. So what I am doing is trying to figure out what side this thing was on. And now I know. I don't know why I keep coming back. It's annoying. Weird. Come on, guys, get your stuff together, dude. All right. Always go down. What we're doing is we're caulking all the holes and making sure all right, so I got it cocked. Now what I'm doing is I'm coming over here with no rivets. And you'll blow through a bag of these in no time. I just put them in my pocket. And as I need them, I put them on. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. It's riveting day. You know what's crazy is I don't even know what this is gonna look like, but until I paint it. But see, I'm not even drilling the bottom just yet because you gotta start from the top and work your way down. Just so you don't get any warping. Alright guys, let's do this. Now you can already start to see it warping. But it's on the bottom. Easiest fix ever. You drop this pin off and it drops everything down. Got a no-go. Look at that, guys. Can you see him? I think you can see him right there. Yeah, right there. It's the military. The military. They're probably looking at me like, what's this guy doing? I've had police over here multiple times. Not talking to me. Just, what the heck is going on here? Thought I had a stand on this. I guess I was just balancing it. Anyways. Let's put you right here. So, but anyways, military, that's kind of cool. Definitely. And at the very end, we're going to do the bottom, so, like the very end. So, and I still have to do the sides, but this is just for now. Don't know why I'm doing that side. I gotta run another chalk line. Let's get that done. Where is that at? Yeah, see? It did go all the way down. Why isn't it doing it anymore? Yeah. Okay. Let me fix this problem real quick. Fudge!